Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to use crypto wallet, only way. Connect your hardware wallet before moving funds and verify addresses on the device screen. Use 2 separate backups for your seed phrase and store them in different secure locations. Always enable strong PINs and biometric locks when available to reduce theft risk. Practice sending a small test amount first to confirm settings and confirm transactions visually before finalizing any transfer. Create or restore your wallet using the app or device following clear prompts and write down your seed phrase immediately on paper. Treat the seed phrase like cash, never taking photos or saving it digitally. Pair your hardware device if you have one and confirm the first address shown on both the device and app to avoid spoofing. Label accounts for clarity and move a small test amount first to ensure everything works as expected. When sending crypto, paste the recipient address and verify the beginning and end characters on your hardware device or app before confirming. Choose an appropriate fee so your transaction isn't stuck, and consider network congestion when timing transfers. For incoming funds, share only the receiving address and double-check it visually. Keep records of transaction ID for tracking and dispute resolution, and always start with a small test transfer so you can verify the entire flow safely.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.